birthday, Kagawad Chris Morales of Santa Ana. More power to you. Don't forget na merong Cesar Montano nagsusupport sa'yo. Si BOBOY. Love you, man. Happy birthday. God bless.
Filipino actor Cesar Montano once again bring an uproar to all media outlet because of his video greeting to a counselor. On the video greeting footage of Cesar Montano, he happily greeted one counselor on Twitter, and now it is heavily spread on all social media platforms. The video became controversial because a naked woman was caught in it. This video greeting of Cesar Montano to counselor Chris Morales is now being tremendously spread on all social media platforms. All of the viewers of this video were shocked on what they saw. It seems that Cesar Montano is with a naked woman in the background where she gets something to wear. Because of the distance in video quality, it is not yet sure if the woman is naked or not. Some of the netizens claim that the woman is Socorro Angeles, the rumored new girlfriend of Cesar Montano after his annulment to Filipina actress Sunshine Cruz. Recently, Cesar Montano celebrated his child's birthday, as seen in photos of Commission on Higher Education Commissioner Ronald Adamat. Adamat shared pictures of him with Montano, the child Kristen, and other friends in a celebration with pink balloons. Cesar Montano and I are now compadre, wrote Adamat. Was invited by him to stand as godfather to his youngest daughter Kristen. The actor is also involved in the movie adaptation of the Commissioner's book The Blood Brothers. Beside Montano in pictures is a woman with long, light brown hair, who according to the Philippine entertainment portal's sources, is Socorro Angeles, his current partner. He and Angeles reportedly have 3 children, and the occasion at hand was to celebrate their youngest child's baptism and first birthday. Montano has children from previous relationships: 2 children, Angelo and Angela from his late first wife, Diego Loizaga with Teresa Loizaga, and 3 daughters, Angelina, Samantha and Cheska with actress Sunshine Cruz. Sadly, Angelo passed away in 2010.